to talk about work and astrology. There was a client of mine who came to me and who had a lot of problem with the work, and after the problem came in the work, he went ahead and told, I'm having a lot of enemies in my work. I find the environment very competitive and very stressful. I am not able to take it across. So I actually cannot forgive. I am having a lot of problem about it across. Now, when I told him that there is a puja which is called as the Chatru Samhara Puja, which will help you to overcome lot of difficulties and problem, he got shocked. He said, how will be the puja work across? I just don't understand the logic behind it. I told there is a spiritual cord which is called as Antakarna, which is connected to the divine light. Now, it does not normally open up for human beings unless you do a lot of puja and ritual. So once that opens up, it kinds of fill the aura and the chakra. The aura and the chakra gets expanded. The law of attraction is much easier in the various chakras as a person. So this will help you to deal with the link sync coincidence. Normally people start, they find it very difficult to close it. Normally people start, they have all kinds of obstacles as they are beginning to end it. Just like Americans who got into war with Taliban very easily, but they are finding it very difficult to finish the war and come out of it as a person. Therefore, you have to understand that there are various reasons why people don't go up in their career. But the most important reason is opportunity, utilizing the opportunity and winning over the enemies. Many people find it very difficult to win over the enemies, the boss, the competitor. So we have something called Chatru Samhara Puja. When you do this puja, actually what happens is it is like taking steroids. It's taking supplements into your energy body which will help you to win over your enemies. But also as you win over, you will get main multiple opportunities to grow big into your life across. So this is one of the biggest uses of Chatru Samhara Puja. Then he said, what about forgiveness? I said, see, you can forgive people. It does not mean Usain Bolt is getting carried away and hating the competitor. No, instead of that, he knows the other guy is going to try to run better than him. That he tries to concentrate his performance for the forgiveness. Now, many people are not able to forgive truly, and then they vacillate between idealism and reality. They have a problem. Everybody likes to win, and everybody likes to win against a lot of competition across. So if you want to grow big in life, it's not your thinking, it's not your feeling, it's not your understanding, your intention, energy, which is going to make you big or small. It is your ability to win over the enemies which will make you big or small. If you can understand this, then Chatru Samhara Puja will be very, very helpful to you. I know one client who came to me, was a big GM in a company, and it was taken over by an American company, and the American company forced him to get sacked with the help of the Indian employees. Now he was so angry, he was so was absolutely angry, he was swimming rage. We suggested him the Pada Puja of Lord Subramania, which is used for Chatru Samhara Puja. So the point is, we invoke Lord Subramania in the young boys, and we asked him to bless. And the moment he started blessing, there was a lot of opposition which melted away. And most important thing, there were a lot of people who had fought against him, had actually resigned from the company and gone. So it was actually easy for him to go ahead and file a writ petition. In fact, I had suggested him across that he should go in for some kind of a kill by calling all these people, which will help you to and tell them that they did a mistake and that it should be recorded and given to the court across. Now he told, yes, I will look into it. Now you see the Chatru Samhara Puja, he was able to win the enemies, and because of that he has had a relaxation. Plus he got a new job for 3 crores which helped him to travel a lot, and also he was making a lot of money. So you please understand that when you give the Chatru Bali, you also take away their opportunity, their energy, their ability to succeed. So you become very successful. But if somebody gives you the Bali of your money, if somebody gives the Bali of your thing, then you will get caught into a lot of problem. I know one person who did not have a job for 2 years. I asked him, did he lose the money in office politics? He said, yes, I lost the money in office politics. I am not able to recover from that because after that I have been going down. My enemies have been climbing the corporate ladder faster and faster. So please understand that all that so-called bearded saying, talk about it, does not work. It is not your action, it is your intention or your thinking or feeling, but is your ability to win over the enemies, which will make a huge difference into your life across. So therefore this will make a huge difference into your life, and you will know that it has a tremendous impact into your life. So the point is winning over the enemies, for which you need to do the Chatru Samhara Puja, which will be very helpful to you. It will get reflected on your Janma Dina, your Janma Nakshatra. That is, every month there is a Janma Nakshatra, Janma Dina. Like I know somebody was born in a Thursday and somebody was born in the Sadabhisha Nakshatra. So Sadabhisha and Thursday, like that particular thing across. It's very easy for you to overcome a lot of difficulty and problem with these people across. It will start happening on that particular time. Your Janma Nakshatra will reflect, your Janma Tithi, your Janma day, all that will start showing a lot of impact into your life across. Because your Janma Nakshatra is very good, your entire life can be very good month on month basis. So please don't get carried away by people telling forgive your Chatrus. You can forgive them, but you should also win them like Usain Bolt, which is very, very important. That's why I keep telling people, don't be immature in forgiving your enemies. Try to build your mental strength, your stamina, your ability to grow big by using the enemies across. So I request you that it is not simple forgiveness, but the fire which builds in you and helps you to deliver it will make a huge difference, not only into your life, but also into other person's life. Success in most of the cases nothing but Chatru Samhara. You find it very difficult to do Chatru Samhara, then please do take the help of the Devata Yoga, where you will be able to win all your Chatrus very easily across. I wish you all the best, and may you look more for these kind of videos to be helpful to you. Thank you.